Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel again. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing as in the other videos if you have seen them, but only because I have little time to film before work, so I'm trying to be as productive as I can. Now, I never thought I would do another DERMACOL video, but this is only because I had a question from my last video that persisted. Everybody, I think 85% of the people ask me this. And also this is like my way of doing the videos DERMACOL related, is because you guys asked the same questions in different videos, so then I knew what to talk to you about. So the question is, everybody is asking where exactly to get the original DERMACOL. Now the thing is, when I filmed my original and versus fake DERMACOL, I stated there that you can buy it from eBay and Amazon if you follow some guidelines regarding price and all that. Now this was true back then, but the thing is, even in those little months, the thing has changed drastically. Loads of new sellers appeared, loads of new bulks of product appeared, and the thing is, not even the sellers nowadays know if they're selling a genuine product or not. It's not that some of them are doing it deliberately to sell you, but the thing is that they do not know what they are selling, because nobody tells them, because everything is just full of fakes, and probably the real deal is so hard to get your hands on that nobody knows anymore what is real, what is not, where to get it and all that. So what I suggest is just buying it from the real source, just going on an official DERMACOL site and buying it from there. What I highly recommend is where I get mine from is from DERMACOL Canada. Just visit their site and it's 100% obviously sure deal, and just get it from there. I'm sorry, I don't know, and I wouldn't trust any other kind of source. I still have my link from my original eBay, was it eBay? I think eBay purchase, when there were only 2 sellers on eBay that would sell DERMACOL, and there were no fakes whatsoever. So I still have the link from my original purchase, so I can link that obviously in the description box, but I can't guarantee that they are still selling the genuine. As I said, they might be buying the same product and might not even know that it's fake or not. So that's the only thing I have to say. I still get lots of comments with people using fake ones that have really bad skin reactions, and not only from DERMACOL but any other fake product out there. So yeah, I know that I sound like a broken record with the fake stuff and to be careful, but it's very true, and I hope it never happens to you or to anyone. So yeah, that's the thing with this. I will leave obviously links in the description box. Everything that I'm talking about will be in the description box. Please check it out as usual. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, of course, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and of course if you want to see more videos. And yeah, I shall see you next time. I have a really nice clothing haul prepared to film, so I'm really excited about that. I want to film it in a few days, so yay! It's gonna be my first clothing haul, so we'll see how I'll have to put it up. But yeah, I shall see you next time. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. So yeah.